156 to 550 checkpoint certified virtual system extension VSX specialist practice exam. 1. What is the primary role of checkpoint VSX in modern networks? A. To provide physical firewall hardware. B. To integrate antivirus solutions. C. To enable virtualization of security functions. D. To manage wireless networks. Answer C. Explanation. Checkpoint VSX virtualizes security services, allowing multiple virtual systems on a single hardware platform, thereby optimizing network segmentation and security. 2. Which of the following best describes the virtualization concept in security? Architectures. A. Consolidating all network traffic into one channel. B. Creating isolated environments on shared hardware. C. Deploying physical security appliances exclusively. D. Simplifying network cabling. Answer B. Explanation. Virtualization and security creates isolated environments, virtual systems, on the same physical device, enhancing resource efficiency and security segmentation. 3. How does VSX contribute to network segmentation? A. By merging multiple networks into one. B. By deploying separate virtual systems for different segments. C. By eliminating the need for VLANs. D. By disabling firewall rules. Answer B. Explanation. VSX enables network segmentation by allowing the creation of multiple isolated virtual systems, each with its own security policy and routing. 4. What key component is essential for VSX architecture? A. Virtual router. B. Physical switch. C. Cloud management portal. D. External antivirus scanner. Answer A. Explanation. Virtual routers are integral to VSX architecture because they manage routing between the virtual systems and external networks. 5. Which virtualization platforms support checkpoint VSX deployments? A. VMware, Hyper, VKVM. B. Only VMware, 1/4. C. Only KVM and Zen. D. Only Hyper, V, and Oracle VM. Answer A. Explanation. Checkpoint VSX is designed to work on multiple platforms, including VMware, Hyper, V, and KVM, providing flexibility in deployment. 6. In a VSX environment, what is the role of a virtual switch? A. It physically connects two firewalls. B. It interconnects virtual systems within the chassis. C. It encrypts VPN tunnels. D. It monitors network performance. Answer B. Explanation. A virtual switch connects virtual systems within the VSX chassis, enabling communication and proper segmentation without external hardware. 7. Which component allows the centralized management of checkpoint VSX deployments? A. Smart Event. B. VSX Manager. C. Security Management Server. D. Virtualization Controller. Answer C. Explanation. The Security Management Server, such as Smart Center or 80.40 Management Server, is responsible for centralized management and policy enforcement in VSX deployments. 8. What is a major benefit of using checkpoint VSX? A. Increased physical space requirements. B. Simplified cabling. C. Enhanced resource utilization and scalability. D. Reduced network security. Answer C. Explanation. VSX offers enhanced resource utilization and scalability by consolidating multiple virtual SY stems on one hardware platform, reducing physical footprint and cost. 9. How does checkpoint VSX support multi-tenancy? A. By using a single shared policy for all users. B. Through isolated virtual systems for different tenants. C. By merging tenant data. D. By eliminating user roles. Answer B. Explanation. Multi-tenancy is supported by creating isolated virtual systems for different users or tenants, ensuring security and policy separation. 10. What is the significance of the VSX chassis in the architecture? A. It is used only for physical routing. B. It houses all virtual systems and their components. C. It is an optional component. 2/4. D. It connects only to cloud services. Answer B. Explanation. The VSX chassis is the physical hardware that hosts all virtual systems, virtual routers, and switches, forming the backbone of the VSX environment. 11. What role does virtualization play in modern security solutions? A. It eliminates the need for security policies. B. It allows for faster hardware replacement. C. It facilitates the deployment of multiple isolated security environments. D. It reduces network encryption. Answer. C. Explanation. Virtualization enables the Cray tie-in of multiple isolated security environments on the same hardware, improving efficiency and segmentation. 12. Which of the following is a key advantage of using virtual systems in security? A. Increased latency. B. Decreased manageability. C. Simplified network segmentation. D. Higher physical hardware costs. Answer. C. Explanation. Virtual systems simplify network segmentation by enabling administrators to create distinct security zones without the need for multiple physical devices. 13. How does Checkpoint VSX enhance resource allocation? A. By allocating fixed resources permanently. B. Through dynamic allocation based on virtual system needs. C. By limiting the number of virtual systems. D. By isolating resources for each physical port. Answer B. Explanation. VSX supports dynamic resource allocation, allowing CPU and memory resources to be distributed based on the needs of each virtual system. 14. What is the primary function of the virtual router in a VSX environment? A. To manage policy updates. B. To direct network traffic between virtual systems and external networks. C. To control hardware temperature. D. To encrypt data at rest. Answer B. Explanation. The virtual router manages network traffic by routing data between virtual systems and external networks, ensuring proper connectivity and performance. 15. What does the term Euro virtualization refer to in the context of Checkpoint VSX? A. Running multiple operating systems on separate hardware. B. Creating virtual copies of security appliances on one hardware platform. C. Using physical devices only. D. Duplicating network cables. 3/4. Answer B. Explanation. Virtualization in VSX involves creating multiple virtual instances of security appliances virtual systems on a single hardware platform, optimizing efficiency. 16. How does VSX integrate with checkpoint security gateways? A. It replaces the need for security gateways entirely. B. It adds a virtual layer to existing security gateways. C. It duplicates the gateway Euro-S configuration. D. It operates independently without any integration. Answer B. Explanation. VSX adds a virtual layer that integrates with checkpoint security gateways, allowing virtual systems to benefit from advanced threat prevention and policy management. 17. In the context of VSX, what does the term virtual system denote? A. A physical router. B. An isolated security environment on shared hardware. C. A cloud storage solution. D. A backup power supply. Answer B. Explanation. A virtual system in VSX is an isolated instance that functions as an independent security environment on the shared VSX chassis. 18. What is a typical use case for Checkpoint VSX in enterprise networks? A. Single-purpose network management. B. Consolidating multiple firewalls into one physical box. C. Managing a wide range of virtual networks and security policies. D. Replacing all network routers. Answer C. Explanation. VSX is typically used in enterprise networks to manage multiple virtual networks and enforce diverse security policies on a single hardware platform. 19. What distinguishes Checkpoint VSX from traditional firewall solutions? A. It only supports IPv6. B. It leverages virtualization to run multiple firewalls on one device. C. It requires more physical hardware. D. It has no policy management features. Answer B. Explanation. Unlike traditional firewalls, VSX leverages virtualization technology to run multiple independent firewalls, virtual systems, on a single device, providing flexibility and scalability. 20. Which factor is critical when implementing a VSX solution? A. The number of available physical switches. B. Proper configuration of virtual systems and routing policies. C. Use of outdated hardware. D. Avoiding software updates powered by TCPDF. www.tcpdf.org/4